Hello, children. I am number 27. 2 and 7 together make number 27.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 27. This is number 27. 2 and 7 together make number 27. The spelling of number 27 is Twentyseven, 27. It comes after 26 and before 28. Now, children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 27 books. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 83.
8 and 3 together make number 83. Hello, children. I am number 84. 8 and 4 together make number 84.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 83 and 84. This is number 83 and 84. 8 and 3 together make number 83. The spelling of number 83 is Eighthytree, 83. 8 and 4 together make number 84. The spelling of number 84 is Eighthyfour, 84. Now, children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 83 flowers and 84 chapels. Very good, children.
Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you about our country. India is our country. It is a beautiful and big country. This is the map of India. It shows different states of our country. Each state has its own name and place on the map.
Welcome back, children. India is our country. We live in India and it is a very big and beautiful country. This is the map of India. A map helps us to see different places in our country. On this map, we can see many states. Each state has its own name. Some states are big and some are small. All the states together make our country India. We should love our country, keep it clean, and respect everyone who lives in it. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 28. 2 and 8 together make number 28.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 28. This is number 28. 2 and 8 together make number 28. The spelling of number 28 is Twentyeight, 28. It comes after 27 and before 29. Now, children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 28 balls. Very good, children.
Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you about the national symbols of India.
The national emblem shows 4 lions. It includes the Ashoka Chakra and is a symbol of India's heritage. The 4 lions represent power, courage, and confidence.
The national flag has 3 colors and a blue wheel in the center.
The national flower is the lotus. The national currency is the rupee. The national aquatic animal is the river dolphin. The national river is the Ganga. The national bird is the peacock. The national animal is the tiger. The national tree is the banyan tree. The national fruit is the mango. The national game is hockey.
Welcome back, children. These are the national symbols of India. They represent our country and make us feel proud. The national emblem has 4 lions and stands for strength. The national flag has 3 colors and a wheel in the center. The lotus is our national flower and it grows in water. The peacock is our national bird and it is very beautiful. The tiger is our national animal and it is strong and brave. The banyan is our national tree and it gives shade. A mango is our national fruit and it is very tasty. The Ganga is our national river and it is very important. The river dolphin is our national aquatic animal. The rupee is our national currency and we use it to buy things. Hockey is our national game. Very good, children. See, hello.
We add H to letters, we make new sounds, and create new words like
Chick, phone, ship, thin, wheel.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn blend H sounds. When we join letters with H, we get new sounds like ch, pa, sh, tha, and wa. Let us read some words. Chick, chair, chain. Phone, photo, dolphin. Ship, shop, dish. Thin, teeth, thumb. Wheel, whale, whip. These are called blend H words. Very good, children.
Rack means a stand to keep things. Back means the rear part of the body. Pack means to put things together in a bag. Sack means a big bag. Lack means not having something. Make means to create something. Fake means not real. Late means not on time. Date means a day on the calendar. Gate means a door or entrance. Fame means being well known. Bake means to cook food in an oven. Wake means to get up from sleep. Mate means a friend. Fate means something that is going to happen. Tame means not wild, gentle.
Dame means a woman.
Lame means unable to walk properly.
Welcome back, children. These are 4-letter words. All these words have 4 letters. We can read them and learn their sounds. Reading helps us to speak and understand better. Let us read them again together. Rack, back, pack, sack, lack. Make, fake, lake, bake, wake. Mate, fate, late, date. Gate, fame, tane, dane, lane. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 29. 2 and 9 together make number 29.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 29. This is number 29. 2 and 9 together make number 29. The spelling of number 29 is T-W-E-N-T-Y-N-I-N-E, 29. It comes after 28 and before 30. Now, children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 29 pencils. Very good, children.
Rent means money paid to use a house. Tent means a small shelter made of cloth. Dent means a small hollow mark on something. Sent means something was given or passed. Rest means to relax. Test means to check something. Fest means a celebration or event.
Best means the finest or most good. Pest means a harmful insect or animal. Ball means a round object to play with.
Fell means drop down. Tell means to say something.
Sell means to give something for money.
Yell means to shout loudly. Tall means having great height. Fall means to go down. Mall means a large shopping place. Well means a deep hole for water.
Welcome back, children. These are 4-letter words. All these words have 4 letters. Let us read them again together. Rent, tent, dent, scent. Rest, test, fest, best. Pest, ball, tall, fall. Mal, will, fell, tell. Sell, yell. These words sound similar in groups. This helps us to read easily. Very good, children.